So today we are here with one of our newest landed products. This is our brand new 40-volt cordless 38cm cutting width lawnmower. So let's open the box and check it out. So this is everything that you're going to get out the box. You're going to get the lawnmower itself, a 36-litre collection bag, the handles which you will have to assemble. You get the two 4-amp-hour 20-volt batteries, a charger, a handle for your collection bag, and the nuts and bolts to put the machine together. We always recommend to have a read through the manual before you start using the product. This just makes sure that you're using it correctly and everything is functioning as it should be. So very easily now, when you're ready to attach the collection bag, you're just going to pull up the flap on the rear. There's two little hooks and you just slide that in and there you have it. It's ready to go. Right, so now very important when talking about the batteries with these. These are the batteries that you'll get with them. You'll get two 4-amp-hour 20-volt batteries. Now it's very important that before you use the machine that these are fully charged before every use, just to make sure you get the most life out of the machine. Now very easily, what you'll do to plug them in is you lift up this front flap. You've got two sections where the batteries go. They slide and clip in, and as easy as that, you're ready to go and start mowing. So another amazing feature of this cordless lawnmower is these 5 different adjustable heights, which can be controlled by this handle here. Okay, you've got settings from 1 being the lowest to 5 being the highest, meaning that you can either do a double cut on your lawn, you can get the exact length of grass that you want, or you can either have it longer in the winter and shorter in the summer. You've got full customization with this lawnmower. So another one of the amazing features with this lawnmower is it's super easy to store, fold away, and nice and compact, so you can put it in your sheds, in your garages, anything where you need to store your items and don't want it to take up much room. Really easy. With those quick release clips, you just simply undo them. You can fold the arms then forward like so and store it down and keep it in that nice small compact package. And there we have it, guys. That is the 40-volt Hyundai cordless lawnmower, and you can grab yours online today.